Throw it.
I'm scared. Alright. Oh my god, in the grass.
That was a bad toss. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh.
Sorry, old neighbors. I didn't mean it.
Alright. I'm gonna do one on my own.
I love America! Oh, I just fucking broke it.
Oh my god, Phil, come on.
I mean, I didn't mean to.
Alright.
Don't light that boy. He'll go off real quick.
Here, light that. Light it.
Ready?
Hurry,
Are
go.
you ready to toss it?
Yeah, go. Hurry, light it.
Toss it in the
I
street.
will, duh. Oh, it came done.
No, I didn't, did it?
Yeah, huh? Go, be careful. You don't want to get blown up. Maybe you should throw it in the grass instead.
Hurry up.
There you go.
Ah, it's so